Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but there's a big thunderstorm tonight. It's like 10:56. Whoa, that was a little good footage. 10:56 p.m. right now, and yeah, there's a big thunderstorm. It's not even raining, but yeah, I don't understand. How do you think? Whoa! Whoa! That was crazy. Oh my crud. There's the lightning stuff. I feel shaking in my camper right now. Yeah, so how do you guys think it's thundering when it's not raining? Just let me know in the comments below. Because I want to know. Because this is... Whoa. Oh wait, never mind. It's raining. I mean, originally it wasn't raining. But now it is. I'm a little bit confused. Just, can you let me know in the comments below, maybe, because, whoa! Jeez Louise! This is crazy, guys. Whoa. This is crazy. Whoa! There it is again. Oh god, there's the rain again. This is confusing. Oh god. I can feel the rain. I got turned up. Whoa! Turn away this window here. Oh my gosh. This is a crazy... Have you ever had this kind of crazy weather? Let me know in the comments below. So, yeah. I should probably go to bed now. So, I will see you guys, later. So then, bye. Whoa. It's crazy.